In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chrome avatar with a custom picture in just a few easy steps. This is a quick and simple way to personalize your browser so it feels more like yours, whether you want to use a professional photo, a fun image, or just a cleaner profile icon. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is where you can manage your Google account profile picture. And because Chrome uses your Google profile, updating it here will also change your Chrome avatar. Once the page loads, look for your current profile picture. You should see a camera icon or a Change Profile Picture option. Click on that camera icon to start the process. After that, you'll see a few different options. What you want to do here is click Upload from Device. This lets you choose a picture from your computer instead of using one from your Google account or taking a new photo. Now browse through your files and select the image you want to use as your new avatar. Once you've picked the image, click Open. After you do that, the image will start uploading. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a minute or two, so give it a moment to finish. When the upload is complete, Google will let you adjust the image before saving it. This is where you can crop the picture how you need it. You can move the image around, zoom in, or position it so the most important part is centered properly. Take a second here to make sure it looks exactly the way you want it to appear in Chrome. When you're happy with the crop, click Next. On the final screen, you'll see the option to save it as your profile picture. Go ahead and click Save as Profile Picture. And that's it. Your Google account photo will update, and your Chrome avatar should change to your custom picture as well. If you don't see the change right away, just refresh Chrome or wait a little bit for the update to sync across your account. And that's how you change your Chrome avatar with a custom picture. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.